Hey everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing the Aer Travel Pack 3, and this is the X-Pac version. I'm going to go over what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and whether or not you should get it. Okay, with this review, I'm starting at the front and the outside and going to the inside. So all the zippers are YKK zippers, and they also have the Aqua Guard on the zipper for most of the pockets. Not every single pocket has the Aqua Guard. So the very front pocket opens up, and inside of it has a hook for hooking to whatever you feel like. Inside of this bag is also bright orange, so you can easily see the things that are inside. And the rest of this front pocket just goes down to the bottom and is open. There's nothing fancy inside of this pocket. For the straps, you have lift loaders to pull this backpack farther up your back. You have padded straps, which are very comfortable. And you also have padded backing. You also have a luggage handle push through. You have an optional hip strap mount, which does not come with the bag. You have to buy it separately. You have grab handles on the sides and on the top and bottom. The one on the bottom is not as nice as all the other ones. You have cinch straps on each side, which can also double as something that would hold a tripod or an umbrella or something like that. And you also have this expandable water bottle holder, which zips open and has a stretchy pouch for a water bottle. And on the same side, you have an anchor point. It also has this nice tether point, so you can hook things onto this bag, whether it's a hat or a water bottle with a carabiner on it or anything else that you could think of that could strap onto this. Here is the water bottle pocket on this bag. I have my 17-ounce water bottle in here, and it's pretty slim actually. And how I get this to fit in here is I have to completely unzip the water bottle pocket. I think you could fit a really slim water bottle in here, maybe like a normal plastic water bottle. But for this slim bottle, I have to unzip the expandable pocket, slide it in there, and then this pocket won't be able to zip back up. So if you have a bigger water bottle, it may not be able to fit. And then if you don't want it to fall out, you have to put this strap around your water bottle. So then every time you want to get to your water bottle, you're going to have to undo this strap. But the nice thing about this strap is that your water is not going to fall out of your bag. There's also a magnetic sternum strap, as well as an anchor point on the strap. Being the X-Pac, this is the cell cloth, and while I'm sure it holds up very well, for me, especially with having the city pack with the normal ballistic nylon, this X-Pac material gets really dirty. I kind of cleaned this bag up for the video, but you can even see there's just like small scuffs all over it, and it gets dirt, hair, all kinds of stuff stuck to it really easy. So I haven't loved that about the X-Pac material. It has held up to any kind of scratching or gouges. It just gets dirty. Okay, next going to the inside of the bag, you have three main zippers. You have one zipper here, and then at the back, you have the main compartment. So I'm gonna go one by one. The first big pocket, which does have Aqua Guard zips and locking zippers, is the tech pouch. You have a big pocket here. You have two pouches here. This is an iPhone 14 Pro Max, and this fits just about like that in there. Next, you have a small pouch here, about a pen-sized pouch right there, and then another pouch here. You can see an iPhone doesn't quite fit in there. And then you have a zipper here, which goes as far down as these pockets, and then you have another pouch in the back, which goes all the way down. All of these main pocket zippers are locking zippers, so if you want to put a lock on them, you can. Okay, going back behind the tech pouch, you have this main pouch, which opens flat. Starting on this side, you have a zipper here that opens and gives you a pouch that goes underneath. Now, the only problem with this pouch here is you're using the same pocket as your tech pouch. So whichever one you load more, you're gonna have problems packing on the other side. You also have a nice see-through pouch here. So if you need to be able to see things that are inside of this pouch, you can pack this as well. But it does also share the same space as the tech pouch. On this side, this would be your main clothes packing. It's just open. And underneath this pouch here, you do have a hidden AirTag pouch. Now, depending on how you pack, you can pack a lot of clothes in here. For me, it's been good for weekend trips. I don't think I'd be able to take only this bag on extended trips unless I had easy access to laundry. Inside of here as well, You do have a small zipper pouch, which just goes right into the side. It maybe is big enough for a cell phone. For instance, my iPhone fits perfectly in there. The next one we have is the laptop pouch, which is the back. And this fits up to a 16-inch laptop. It has this pouch that goes over the AirTag pouch inside the main compartment. So you have that small grab pouch here. And then in front of that is the laptop pouch. It actually has the laptop pouch and then like another compartment in front of it that goes all the way down. This is very padded at the back. And the pouch does not go all the way to the bottom of the bag. You don't have to worry about smacking this on the ground and hurting your laptop. Lastly, you do have another grab pouch, which is just felt right in the top for easy access to something. That pretty much covers all the features of the Travel Pack 3 X-Pac. Let me know what you guys think of this backpack. Overall, I like it a lot. It's gonna be for specific types of trips. Let me know if you guys have used this backpack and what you've used it for, and I'll see you in the next video.